everybody, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go ahead and do a cloth and paper sub box haul. So this is, I want to say, the July box from Cloth and Paper because today is August 5th. So I think this is the July box, but I'm really excited for this one because it is the side hustle theme. And well, that's kind of what my business is all about. Not really a side hustle because my business is my main priority for my work, but I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm so excited. So I used to always do cloth and paper hauls, and I kind of stopped because I didn't think they were that popular, but my last video, you guys actually really seemed to enjoy that one. So I wanted to do another one. I had quit for a while just to save money, but then I went back because I was missing my planner supplies. So, and I like to change my planner up with different things. So I do get the Penspiration kit as well. So this is what's in here. So we'll take a look at that. I'm just going to pull everything out because my daughter wants this box. Okay, so here is the pen case that they were advertising. So we'll look at that. It's exciting. And then all of the goodies. And you do get a separate pen, a red pen, to edit, which is cool. Personally, though, when I do my editing, so I actually write my blogs right on Medium, which is my online platform for my website, and I edit right on my computer. So I don't edit on paper and I don't write out scripts for my videos. I just kind of play it by ear and I just, I just go with it. I don't write out scripts, but a lot of people do. So it's important that you have something to edit with. The other thing red pens are good for me for is when I do my budget, because I like to initially do my budget in black pen, but when I go back and pay my bills, I like to use red pen to show all the changes I've made. So let's go through the pen kit. I'm just going to write on the back of this just to show you what the pens look like. I'm never good at opening these up. But you know what? I do kind of like the different pens you get. They feel, some of them feel kind of cheap. I mean, it kind of depends. I know a lot of people are into fountain pens lately, right? You can get fountain pens for upwards of a couple $100s, and if you want a nice pen that you always have with you and you can refill it forever and ever, don't get these pens because they're cheap plastic pens. But I love pens. I love stationery, so this is what we are reviewing today. A lot of these come from Japan, so I cannot read what they are. The first one is this light gray one. The reason why I like them, I never used to be a black gel ink user. I hated black gel ink. Since I've become a Franklin user, I have appreciated the 0.5 black gel ink, and I love the needle tip on all of these pens. That's one of my favorite things. So this one is very nice. The benefits of having lighter pens is that if you are writing for a longer period of time, it doesn't hurt your hand. I like this one. It's a little bit heavier than the first. So yeah, it still writes quite nice. This is the third one. It is a white pen. This is the same thing. It is black gel ink. Writes exactly like the other ones. And now this is interesting. What's this? It kind of looks like a marker, but it's still a pen. Ooh! This one has bright pink. That is very interesting. It has a pastel cap, but it is bright ink. The last one, so there's 5 pens. This looks like a highlighter. And it's this teal color. So it's a little mild. It's not, I don't know. I think I have one that I kept from Cloth and Paper a long time ago. I don't know where it is right now. I'm kind of stuck on my mild liners. So I don't know. I might give this to my kids or something. But yeah, so that's it for the pens. Let's open up the pen pouch here. So it is an army green, which is, it's all right. It's quite long, actually. And honestly, like, I have my pen pouch I use here. It's really big. It's like the zipper one, like the Zip It. So basically it's a zipper and you just keep zipping it until it's like a long zipper. But I like that because it's so big and it holds tons of stuff. Now, as for the little freebie cards here, so this is like a month card here. Forge is the little journaling card. And then you get these. It shows what's inside the box. And then this is just a pen test sheet. Okay, let's take a look at these here. in the September month with the clear one. Creative thinking and abundance. Yeah, I don't really get much use out of these. I used to sometimes put them in my front of my planner, but I've kind of become a little bit more minimalist with that. The next thing are these matte sticky notes. So I really like the translucent sticky notes. I have they're kind of like pink purple color. These are brown and macchiato, and they're all right. I mean, they always come in handy, but I don't have a brown planner. These are neutral. I guess they technically go with anything. Sorry, they do look good on my blue planners. So then I think what we'll do is open up the creative planning bundle. I'm excited to see what's in there. Let's open up this one first with the pen. There's a whole bunch of goodies in here, guys. Everything is wrapped individually. So I apologize for the unwrapping of the plastic. So I'm going to try out this pen and see how it writes. Again, oh, it does have a needle tip. I love the needle tip. I'm just obsessed with that. Yeah, it's a nice pen. Nice red pen. Perfect. I will use that a lot. Next one are these matte sticky notes. It says brainstorm, new ideas, current thoughts, important tasks on hold. So I mean, ideal, like technically the thought behind that is wonderful, but for me, I like a large amount of writing space. So I don't really know how much use I'd get out of those. Ooh, okay, they're not matte. Why does it say they're matte? They are on translucent paper. And it's it's not shiny. It is matte, I guess, but it's not like this matte. So this is like, you know, your plain writing paper. This is translucent. I like the feel of that paper. I don't know what it is. See on the back, it's shiny, if you can see. Interesting. Okay, the next are the ellipse sticky notes, and they say that they're matte as well. Let's see if they are translucent. They are translucent. Again, shiny on the back. I like those as well. Okay, I like the colors too. They're very neutral except for the green, but that's okay. Okay, we've got the icon stickers, and they are the hustle stickers. I like the idea again behind this because I do have my business, but I don't know how much use I'll get out of these. So you've got hustle. So, you know, you've got like Facebook, Instagram post, Pinterest, computer icons, a camera, clock, writing. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We will see. This one is also hustle. It says collab, post, edit. See, these might be a little bit more useful for me. And then you've got some more ellipse sticky notes. Those are good. Ooh, is this a dashboard? Ooh, storyboard project name. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna have to watch a video on cloth and paper on their website just to see how I use this, because I don't know how I would use that unless it's just meant to put the sticky boards on there, the sticky notes, I mean. But I like the idea of it. That's really cool. So technically your entire project would go up here. So you'd have to get a type of pen that would write on this, or just use sticky notes. I don't know. I'll have to see. But if I can get like a dry erase pen, that's probably what you could use on there. You put your date, and then you can either put ideas here, or how I would use it is like video list for the week or something, and then put all of your video titles here, and then any notes you wanted to on this side. Very nice. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I'll have to look into that more, because I'm kind of curious as to how that would be used. So this says 2022 Vertical Weekly, Sunday start, September. Let's see. I don't really get much use out of these because, as you guys know, I've got my Flora inserts from Franklin Covey, and I also have my Seasons inserts. I do like these though. I didn't use the last ones, and I feel like it's such a waste. You got your monthly layout there, and then it goes into your vertical weeks. I really like the layout of this. And I have been keeping these because it basically looks like a dashboard. You could laminate them if you wanted to. And then on the back is just a notes page. So it kind of looks like a dashboard. I've been putting them in my planner. I like them so much, the black and white florals. Okay, so that's, you know what? I'll try to use that. We'll see. I know as September kind of creeps up, for anyone who creates things, like whether videos or on Etsy or you have your own website, September, October, November are always busier because people are staying at home more. They're not going outside as much. They're not on vacation as much. And people are also getting ready for Christmas. So they like to buy, they start buying stuff. So this next is a half-page content overview, half letter. Of course, it's the size I got. So it's creative overview, important dates, and then you can check off the days of the week. So this is good. Like, I guess I would use these monthly maybe. So I'd probably use this. So you have like a front and a back, so you could get multiple use out of these. I would use probably one once a month in my business section if I had one, and then use them for a video list. That's actually a nice idea. I might put that under my project tab. We'll see. Because I don't really have an area to put video ideas. I've just been putting them on my daily notes pages, just like for an area to write down ideas. So I might use that for that. That's a good idea. Okay, the last thing we have, guys. So are there no dashboards? There's no dashboards other than this one. Oh, that makes me sad. Okay, this is Good Things Happen to Those Who Hustle, half letter creative planning bundle. Let's see what's in here. So to be quite honest, I'm all about the dashboards with cloth and paper. So I would rather have had dashboards instead of this pen pouch. Just saying. Okay, so let's take a look here. Let's see what's in here. I'm excited. So you get some graph paper, which I always appreciate with cloth and paper. Okay, client request. You get name, description, contact, budget, issue, date, and due date. Your notes, and then ideas down at the bottom. That's interesting. Client request. So you get a few pages of that. How many? Or is that like the entire bundle? Nope. Let's see. Okay, so there's quite a few of those pages. Oh, you're playing. That's like half. Okay, so then you get another sheet of graph paper. And then here's a monthly overview. Interesting. Okay, so it says campaigns. Topic, media, time frame, and then you get a little notes area. I don't really know what I would use that for, to be honest. Okay, so you get your monthly overview, and then you have another blank sheet of graph paper, and then project. So this would be, for instance, like me setting up my Facebook page. I could put Facebook page, give myself my time frame, write out my notes of what I need to do, or pictures I need to post. But the only thing I don't like about it is that you would have two on one page. Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to, again, watch some videos to see how I would use these sheets. Okay, and then that's pretty much the last of it. So the project pages, that's it. And then that's the end of it. So that's kind of interesting how that's set up, because it says creative planning bundle, but I don't really know. I would probably just end up using it as a notes pages, right? Because I don't have client requests. Okay, so that is it for this bundle. I didn't catch everything on Cloth and Paper's website, so I wasn't sure entirely what was in here. And I was excited because I thought, oh yeah, like perfect, I'll use this for my business. But the only thing I could really see myself using besides the sticky notes is pretty much these half letter sheets. I don't know about everything else. I'm gonna have to do some research and just kind of see how other people are using these. I guess I'm a little disappointed in what there is to offer this time, but if you guys have any suggestions on how you would use like this dashboard, for instance, I do like the dashboard. I will put this in my project section, I think, because it's kind of a cool idea, and use it like I have an overview dashboard that's like this, but I put it at the front of my planner for sticky notes, but I might put this in my project area for my business. Yeah, if you guys have any idea how you would use this, for instance, let me know, because I don't know. I don't know what I would do unless I just used it for my YouTube videos. But again, I don't really write out scripts, so we'll have to see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul just to kind of see what was in the July cloth and paper sub box this month. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Click on the bell button to receive updates of when I post new videos, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. See you. Bye.